Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the text you will blur and making one exact copy for accessibility. This prevents data loss. Once done, decide why. CSS filter is quick and live, Canvas gives pixel control, and image blur is irreversible but portable. Make sure to note font size, line height, and container width so your blur scales correctly. Now open your editor, inspect CSS, or prepare a Canvas context. Start with the simplest path that fits your delivery needs. You now apply the chosen blur. If using CSS, attach filter, blur, XBX to the element and adjust X until legibility meets your goal. Use backdrop filter to blur behind translucent layers. If using Canvas, render text at 2x resolution, apply a Gaussian or stack blur algorithm, then downscale to avoid banding. For images, rasterize at high resolution before blurring and compress afterward to keep file size reasonable. Each path balances quality, accessibility, and performance differently. To finish, make sure you preserve an accessible copy. Keep text in the DOM with area hidden on the blurred element and a visually hidden readable copy available to assistive tech. Once done, test across devices and device pixel ratios. Make the blur radius proportional to viewport or font size so it looks consistent. If things go wrong, slow rendering or jank, reduce radius, switch to CSS hardware-accelerated filters, or pre-render blurred assets. That single change often fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.